Lesson 4, the nervous system. So let us begin this chapter. First of all, name the sense organs of our body. In your previous classes, you already read about the sense organs. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ear, skin and tongue. Next question is, which of these do you think is the most important and why? Yes, you are right. All the sense organs are very important because they have different role in our life. In this picture you can see the children are playing, they are shouting, they are running, and all these actions are controlled by our nervous system. So nervous system is the most important and most complex system of our body. All our actions are controlled by the nervous system. So the nervous system is made up of mainly 3 parts, or you can say that there are 3 parts of our nervous system. Number 1, the brain. Number 2, spinal cord, and the nerves. So what are the 3 main parts of our nervous system? The brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. So let us study the nervous system and its parts and their function in detail. So today first of all we read about the first and the most important part of our nervous system, that is brain. The brain is a delicate organ which is protected by the skull. It has 3 parts and each part has its own function. So what are the 3 main parts of our brain? Cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. Cerebrum. The cerebrum is the uppermost part of the brain. It controls our thinking, learning, memory and our sense organs. So what are the main functions of cerebrum? The main functions of cerebrum is thinking, learning, memory, and it also controls our sense organ, and it is the largest part of our brain. You can see cerebrum. Now, second is cerebellum. The cerebellum lies below the cerebrum. It controls our muscles and help us keep our balance. So if there is any problem in standing and there is a problem of balance in any person, it means some problem is there in cerebellum. So cerebellum lies where it lies below the cerebrum, and it controls muscles and helps us to stand properly and to balance our body. Third and the most important is medulla. The lowermost part of the brain is called the medulla. It connects the brain and the spinal cord. So it is the connection between the brain and our spinal cord. The medulla controls activities such as breathing, heartbeats and blood circulation. The blood medulla works even while we are sleeping. So medulla, now in this picture you can see all the 3 parts very clearly: cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. So these are the 3 main parts of our brain. So read this up to here, this chapter, and we will meet in our next video.